Have you been shopping around for an autoresponder service to manage your lead generation and help you grow your list? If so, I know this can get pretty daunting with all the different options you have in terms of registering with an autoresponder service. However, really quick, here are the things you should look for before deciding which autoresponder service to sign up with. 1, are there limitations on how many emails you can send out per day, week, or month? A good autoresponder has no limits. 2, can you easily tag and segment your list and set up automations on the fly to be able to communicate with your audience on a more personal level? Again, a good autoresponder should have those features in place. 3, are there any caps on how many images you can upload in the autoresponder service in terms of image sizes or capacity limits? A good autoresponder should have no limits and unlimited bandwidth. If you would like to learn more, I have put together a simple training for you on how to grow your email list every day using some of my best autoresponder recommendations. It comes with step-by-step expert guidance in 6 short and simple video lessons. Head on over to my website and register for instant access to the 6 free, no strings attached training videos.